Yeah, hello guys. Okay, as I said about that, we are learning on how to swap now. Okay, so we have opened get IO now. We entered inside trade. That is a trade now. Look at the coin we are looking for. It's called Silo. Now look at that very place I painted USDT stroke Silo now. You see about that very place I pointed that arrow now. Talk about USDT. You see the amount of USDT we have now. Okay, now want to drag. You see the arrow now talk about you drag it to the extreme to tell you the amount you want. Okay, now we are going to buy it at one. We want to buy this in at 140 now. You touch buy. You see about it has gone. That is how to swap. So now the next thing as you have swapped now, the money now will no longer be in USD to be in that very coin that you buy. Now look at it now. USD now is 0.0. Look at that is in that silo now. You see what the money now is in that silo. Look at the arrow. It is not in that silo now. You can say. So if you want to say it back again, you touch the amount now. You drag that very blue button out to the extra. When you drag it, you touch say, and then look at this other place. This other place they wrote the blue button. You see this very that's the money there. Now the very place that they wrote that red, those red numbers. Now let me explain something there, and then that very green this thing now. Just what I'm talking about. So please, just follow what I'm trying to explain. Okay, look at that very place now. In the very place that they wrote this very this now, you now choose the how you want to sell it. In which figure do you want to sell it there? That is, you see about that it is in this and this amount. You touch the figure you want to sell there. If it reaches this figure, let it say that one is in your own this thing now. Now you want to buy also, you can touch the figure you want to buy from this very green button. On the very this in green button now. So it all depends on you. Look at now. Okay, now I want to sell now. You see, I want to sell it back now. Look at the amount I've chosen now. I've chosen it now. Now I want to sell it at that very this now. At that very amount. So it will give me $1.58. Now we touch that very sell again. I will touch that very sell now. To see now when you reach that amount, when the thing rises to that amount now, it will say. So I've made an order. And it is in limit order. So please ask